everyone! Thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make delicious chicken essence steamed drumstick recipe. I hope you will like it. Chicken essence can promote the catabolism of cortisol in the blood, reduce cortisol, and relieve stress, thereby allowing people to recover from mental fatigue as quickly as possible. Ingredients are drumstick, chicken essence, and ginger. Marinate drumstick with soy sauce for 30 minutes. Sliced ginger. Place ginger slices in place and chicken on top. Place ginger slices on chicken. Pour 1 can of chicken essence. Steam with Instant Pot for 25 minutes. Wow, look at the chicken! Yummy! The chicken soup is savory and delicious. Garnish with goji berries. This steamed chicken leg with chicken essence is nourishing and appetizing. Everyone should give it a try. There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.